you're going to arrest me and it'll be an unlawful arrest. And then you're opening yourself up to a lawsuit, losing your qualified immunity, costing the city of River Rouge a huge amount of money for an unlawful arrest.
No, not when you're...
Yes, sir.
Because
actually it has to happen in your presence in order for you to arrest me. It has to happen in your presence.
At this moment in River Rouge, Michigan, tension peaks. A citizen standing on a public sidewalk asserts his Fourth Amendment and civil rights as police threaten an unlawful arrest. This confrontation captures the essence of ID refusal rights and the limits of police authority. Watch closely, learn your rights, and join us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to ID Refusal Rights. Special thanks to the original Michigan Constitutional Crusader channel, link in the description.
What's that? Yep. For whatever we want. Actually, we can.
Okay.
We can totally record you in public. Learn the law.
Yeah. You should stay inside if you want to be on the camera. Hello. Hi there, Officer McGee.
Another one. Oh, look, he's positioning to get me on his camera. Oh, and he's going to try to blind my camera. Okay.
That's funny.
Excuse me, can you back away from my vehicle because I have cleaned up on that computer. If you record something off the computer...
Oh, you're supposed to close it.
No,
that's
why the window...
That's a violation when you lean up.
Can you back that up some?
No, I don't need to.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
My personal space first.
I'm not in your personal space. You walked up to me.
Okay, because I'm walking up to my patrol vehicle because my computer is in there.
You drive it from the right side?
What? That means nothing. Okay. All I can do is
record inside your vehicle.
You cannot record inside.
Absolutely, we can.
I just took a lean tech class. That is not privy to. Okay, do you know that is not privy information for you?
Exactly. So you got to shut it.
Have you taken a lean tech class?
You know, I know people who have.
Have you taken a lean? No, I asked you.
Shut the laptop.
I asked you.
It's your requirement.
Okay, you want to say something? It's closed.
Cool.
Well, there you go. So we didn't see nothing.
So here's the problem.
A Michigan constitutional auditor walks along the public sidewalk outside the Green Care marijuana facility, calmly exercising his right to record in a public space. When an employee objects, claiming he cannot film without consent, he responds firmly, "Learn the law. We can record in public." The situation escalates as a police officer approaches, instructing him not to record the inside of a patrol vehicle. The auditor cites his Fourth Amendment right against unlawful search and reminds the officer that anything visible from public space is lawfully recordable. This encounter reflects the essence of ID refusal in civil rights education, knowing how to stand your ground without aggression. Many citizens don't realize they have the right to remain silent and refuse consent to ID or search when no crime has occurred. The law protects you, but only if you know how to assert it. Follow ID refusal rights to understand your rights and stay safe when police overstep.
They're saying that
he's all upset we're recording inside his vehicle.
Yes, because you're not supposed to be recording in my vehicle.
Sure, I can.
Absolutely, we can.
It's the people's vehicle.
Guess what? No.
No,
you
aren't
going to record this, please. Like civil individuals.
It's not unlawful. You know what plain view doctrine is?
You're not
do you know what plain view doctrine is?
I do.
Okay, but that means if I can see it, I can record it.
Not as government. No, you
yes,
absolutely.
That's not a law.
Anyways.
That's not a law.
They said you
Listen to me.
Okay.
What are you guys doing out
I'm
there?
explaining.
What's your badge number?
While he explained to you, I'll explain.
What's your badge number?
The gentleman said that you are harassing customers walking in and out of the store.
Well, that's funny.
Under the First Amendment?
As long as you don't harass the customers in and out.
We never harassed anybody.
Okay, I'm just explaining to you. You was told to me.
Right.
That's it.
I go around.
The gentleman said you're harassing the customers in and outside the store. I don't know if you did. I don't know if you didn't. So with that being said, I don't care if you're on the sidewalk or not, because you can be on the sidewalk with a camera, whatever you want to do.
No, I don't.
Right?
As long as you don't harass the customers, we are all set.
Yeah, we're not harassing anybody.
That's perfectly fine. That's all that matters.
My
As long as you're not, that's
You
it.
want to be my friend?
Can I get your badge number, please?
55.
Thank you.
I don't have to call you anything. Well,
And let's see, that's badge 24. And what's your name?
I'm the sergeant. No, what's your name?
Well, you're not getting my name.
And you ain't getting my name.
Oh, okay. That's all right. I can find your name out through your badge number.
You can. You could try.
Try? Really?
Yeah.
How much you want to bet I do?
I don't want to bet you anything. You're gonna lose your money.
What's your name, badge number?
You know, don't even.
Why don't you shut up?
You told me to shut up.
Yeah, I told you to shut up.
So now. Yeah, he told you to shut up.
Now what?
Now you're interfering with my investigation here. That's protection.
No, you're telling them not to say their name and badge numbers.
I already gave you my badge.
He
Oh,
already
well
gave it
then
to
I
you.
apologize. I'm
I'm
talking
the
to
boss.
this guy.
I'm in charge here, so I can
Okay.
tell him what to do if I need to.
Oh, okay.
So you don't tell me to shut up.
I can tell you to shut up. It's
Yeah,
called freedom of speech.
You're going to be pushing it. But when you're involving an incident, something that we're here on, we're doing our job, you aren't going to tell me to shut up.
Oh, but I can.
Okay.
It's called freedom of
You
speech.
keep pushing it, and you're going to go to jail.
You guys are real tough with us because you know that we actually are upstanding citizens. We are going to uphold the law. We are not
You're
going to
supposed
bother
to
you.
uphold the law,
Good.
right? We're
Don't walk in Goodell.
We're
and start
trying to
telling people
reason
shut
with
up.
you guys. What's that?
Don't walk on some other streets. And
We're
tell
trying to
people
reason
shut
with
up.
you guys.
That's how
I know.
bad you are with your recording.
I will.
Okay, have an
I absolutely will. Wouldn't be the
So
first
what
time.
do you guys? Why are you guys here? Can you just answer me the question?
Just recording in public.
Why?
Because we can.
Because you can.
It's a hobby. It's interesting.
Well, you seem to be irritating people.
Well, that's not my problem. That's a their problem.
That's a their problem.
No, no, no. My camera
If you're disturbing the peace, I will take you to jail.
How is quietly recording disturbing the peace?
I don't have to define it with you. You can talk to the judge about it.
Oh, is that right? Well, you got to have evidence of the fact, sir. You got to have evidence that I was disturbing
Evidence
the
is
peace.
you're disturbing the peace right now.
Really?
How are we doing that?
With a camera? Really? Conversing with
Oh, we're
somebody?
causing a scene by standing on a public sidewalk. Really?
That's causing a scene, disturbing the peace.
Emburo?
Sidewalk with a camera? Really? That will not.
So back to you. What's your name and badge
I
number?
promise you. Not even close.
Get back.
Shut up.
We already established you're not recording inside the vehicles, so get back.
What law is that?
Get back.
What law is that? I'm just walking down the sidewalk.
Walk down. Don't look inside cars.
I can look inside anything I can see from public.
That's fine.
Do you guys not understand that? Jeez. Oh, and then you're gonna try and blind my camera? It's called prior restraint. That's illegal. Bet you didn't know that either. Shining it at my camera is illegal. It's called prior restraint.
I'm just walking down holding my flashlight.
Okay.
Just like you're holding your camera.
I could do this all night. I need the exercise.
Okay, and what I'm doing does not mean that because you understand. No. A constitutionally protected activity cannot be construed as harassment or suspicion. Under the MCL, this is a constitutionally protected activity. Not when you're harassing people.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards.
I ain't going over. Go ahead. What are we talking about? My question is, I'm the boss. You gotta come. You're not my boss. You work for the public. You work for the public until I break the law. Quit walking up on me.
I don't have to.
You're trying to touch me.
I'm not trying to
Yeah,
touch
you are. You're walking up on me like you're trying to touch me, and then you want to say I assaulted you. I know how the game works, dude. You're not fooling me.
If we keep getting complaints, we're just going to take the drugs.
For what? For standing on a public sidewalk?
For harassing.
How is quietly standing on a sidewalk harassing anybody?
I asked you don't want to tell me what you're doing, so I'd have to go by their word.
We're quietly recording on the sidewalk. We said nothing to nobody.
They said that you were putting this into the window so you could see inside of the
The
room.
windows aren't open. How could I put it in the
They
window?
said that they put it so you could reflect what's in there.
Oh,
You can't
okay.
do that
Why not?
because it's private property. You cannot.
I'm not in the property. I'm in
It doesn't
public.
matter. You couldn't come to my house and put this through and put this so you could see me inside of my house. It's the same principle.
Actually, I can. Anything I can see from public, I can record.
No, you cannot. You cannot
Unless
not-
it's
you
a
cannot-
bathroom or
You cannot
something
record
like that.
into somebody's private residence or business. You cannot do that. We cannot. Come to my house and try
I think
it.
you need
Come
some
to
more
my house
training.
and try it.
What's the address?
Come to my house. I'm not giving you my address on there, but you shut that off. Me and you will talk, big guy. Because you're a lot tougher with this thing out.
Oh, okay.
You are.
Just like he's trying.
A heated exchange unfolds as the officer demands identification and questions the auditor's filming near the Green Care facility. When ordered to shut up, the citizen calmly asserts his First Amendment right to free speech and his Fourth Amendment protection against any unlawful detention or search. Despite the officer's threats of arrest, the auditor refuses to provide ID, a lawful ID refusal stance protected under Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court 2004, which allows silence unless reasonable suspicion of a crime exists. The camera remains his shield, documenting each moment to ensure civil rights transparency. Many people don't realize they can legally refuse to ID or consent to questioning when no crime is suspected. The law protects you if you know how to assert it. Follow ID refusal rights to learn how to stand firm, record safely, and stay within your rights.
It's like he's trying to say I'm harassing people. You know, I didn't speak to you about it. I know.
You're not worried about
What I'm doing is you're not giving me what I want. We're having a conversation.
You have a good day. You're retarded.
And so I can't show the world that you guys asked me.
How we at?
1, 2,
Now you're
3,
right.
4, 5.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, and I'm a law-abiding citizen. Why doesn't? Because I have a camera. I'm not harassing nobody. Read the MCL for harassing you. Go home. Read that, because it says at the very end that a constitutionally protected activity cannot be construed as harassment.
It's not constitutional.
Yes, recording in public as
People's faces? No.
I didn't get nobody's face. Do you
They
have
said
proof?
you did.
Do you have proof I got
You're
somebody's
gonna have
face?
to just show it to the judge.
I don't have to prove my guilt. I don't have. You're going to arrest me and it'll be an unlawful arrest. And then you're opening yourself up to a lawsuit, losing your qualified immunity, costing the city of River Rouge a huge amount of money for an unlawful arrest.
No, not when you're.
Yes, sir.
Not when
Because
you're
actually it has to
arrested.
happen in your presence in order for you to arrest me for
Only
it.
thing I gotta say, hey, boss
It has to
man,
happen
can I
in
say
your
something?
presence.
Can I say, the only thing
But
I
you're still
got,
taking so you don't care about the law?
Hey, boss man.
Yeah.
The black man said which we just talked about before he came out. And I said, you said it yourself. You said most cops
Yes.
are thugs with guns.
Yes.
But guess what? You in the wrong state of being cops are thugs with guns.
Well, you know, just like he's generalizing us as a bad person because I have.
I'm trying to talk to you.
All
That's
cops
smart
look alike.
comment.
They all have guns.
Yeah,
Most of
you
them
got
like
smart
wrangle
comments.
along when I buy. Yeah, I can be
That's
smart.
it.
I can be a smart ass.
And you
That's
just can't,
constitutionally
and you
protected
just
too
can't
under
be a
the First
normal
Amendment.
human being and just be nice.
I was.
No, you were not.
I most certainly was.
No, you weren't.
I most certainly was. I explained to you what we was doing. You tried to say I was harassing. I was
that's
not.
what they told me.
I don't care what they told you. People lie
And I
all the
don't care
time.
what you tell me.
People lie all the
care
time.
what you tell
But I
me.
have evidence to prove that I wasn't. So maybe you should be more
Okay, let me
concerned
see.
about my evidence. You
Yeah,
want me
let
to
me see.
rewind it?
I want you to rewind it and show me.
Hey, record me, so I'm gonna stop my
Yep.
video so I can show you.
Yeah, record it.
Here we go.
I just want to know your reason for being out here. You don't have
To
it.
record him.
Just recording in public.
You just want to annoy everybody?
I'm not annoying anybody.
You're annoying the shit out of me.
That's not my fault. They think my camera's annoying. I didn't say nothing to none of them. Nothing.
I can hear you talking.
I'm talking to myself.
I mean,
narrate.
they've got how many cameras on the sidewalk?
Hey, I wasn't talking.
You know,
I wasn't
we got like
talking.
3 or 4 cameras facing the sidewalk.
I narrate when I do my
That's
videos.
fine.
Because I have thousands and thousands of viewers from across the world.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You just don't get why you're out here. What's going on?
Huh?
Why you out here?
Because I'm in public.
Okay, listen, okay.
That's why I'm out here.
Besides the public,
It's not that bad, bro. It's really not compared to what it was 2 or 3 days ago. It's really not. So I'm trying to enjoy the weather while I can because it's in the 40s, going to be in the 50s, almost 60s next week. So I'm trying to take full advantage of this Michigan weather while I can. Why this spot? Well, okay, I'm going to tell you like this. I picked this spot. You want to watch this or not?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I picked this spot because they are a dispensary. They are deep in with the Michigan government. They're
Okay.
so regulated by the Michigan government, right?
I agree.
Okay, so I come out here on a public sidewalk from a public space to record what I can see from public. Okay, I don't harass nobody. I don't. If somebody, what do you mean why? Because just like they called you and they said we was harassing, they lied to you.
Okay.
All we're out here is doing is recording, but they think we can't because we can't.
But why?
Why do people?
There's a lot of things
Why
you
do
can do.
why do
Why
people
do you do
openly
it?
carry guns? Because they can. Why do I carry a camera? Because I can.
Well, why are you here at this location? I don't get it.
Because I was driving by and the nice bright green lights caught my attention. I'm like, hey, let's stop there and check this place out. I'm not being a smartass. I'm being dead serious, bro.
All right.
I'm being dead serious. That's what I do. That's what we do. We drive around. If we see something, hey, that looks like, you know,
you
we
guys
could
get paid
record
to
there.
do this?
Sure.
Yep.
Who pays you?
I sell video and photos
Nobody
online.
buys this.
Sure they do.
No.
You'd be surprised who buys it.
I wouldn't buy anything.
YouTube pays me very
I
well.
wouldn't buy anything from you.
YouTube, I'm not asking you to buy
No, I
anything.
wouldn't buy anything.
You say I have a smart mouth, but you constantly have smart remarks coming out
Yeah,
of your
because
mouth.
it's...
What, you think you're entitled to have a smart mouth and I'm not?
After you start, yes.
No, that's not how it works. We can both be smart with each other,
100%.
right? 100%, you're right.
The auditor firmly reminds the officer that any arrest without lawful grounds would violate the Fourth Amendment and expose the department to a civil rights lawsuit for unlawful detention. As tensions ease, he explains his purpose: peacefully recording from a public sidewalk to promote transparency. When accused of harassment, he clarifies that filming from public view is legal and constitutionally protected. The encounter de-escalates into mutual understanding, a reminder that ID refusal and no consent are lawful when no crime is committed. Many citizens don't realize they have the right to stay silent and document official conduct. The law protects you, as long as you know when and how to assert it. Follow ID refusal rights to understand the Constitution and safeguard your freedoms.
Yep, see, there's one of your officers sitting right there.
Okay.
I don't know which one it was, but
What does it matter? It's our city.
That's fine.
It's my city, not yours. Okay?
No, this is the people's city.
Yeah, and mine.
It's not yours.
They
You don't
pay-
own it. You work for the
But you
people.
can go ahead and
You
talk
work
to the
for the
people in
people.
this city, and they'll tell you the same thing.
Well, that's
I help
fine. If
everybody
the
in this
people
city.
love you, that's awesome.
Okay.
That's what we're looking
They
for.
do.
Good cops that uphold
So
their
don't-
oath,
so
they
don't tell
honor
me
the
that-
citizens'
so don't tell
rights,
me any different.
and they're professional and they're courteous,
So
no
don't
matter
tell
if
me
I'm an
any
asshole or not. Because when you hired on to be a cop, you said you would be professional
Don't put
and
your finger in
courteous
my
at all times. I'm not putting my finger in your face. It's right here.
Don't put it in my face.
I'm not, it's not in your face. It's not in your face. This is not in
Put it
your
in my
face.
face.
You guys got your body cameras on?
Yep.
Good deal. 'Cause this is not in your face. I'm in my personal space. It's not in your face. Is pointing illegal? Is pointing illegal? All right, help. I'm gonna back up so I can put some distance. And you know what? I'm not gonna show you nothing no more. No, I'm not. I'm not required to show you anything. So,
Then put it away.
yeah. Have a good day. I'm tired. See you later.
You see what the little short guy tried to do? He tried to block my
Yeah, there's a
camera.
bunch of tyrants here, guys. Scumbag cop. So, okay, guys, I'm back. I tried to show him the video. He wasn't really interested. He just wanted to banter back and forth and have the last word. And he wanted to talk about how I was being a smart aleck, but yet he's got a smarter mouth than I do. This is his town.
Oh, look, this is auxiliary police.
Understanding your civil rights and the laws behind ID refusal, unlawful searches, and detention is essential to protect yourself during any police encounter. Knowing when you are legally required to show ID and when you are not can prevent violations of your Fourth Amendment and First Amendment rights. In this case, the Michigan Constitutional Crusader acted courageously, while the River Rouge police officers appeared unprofessional in handling a lawful public recording. If you believe in transparency and constitutional freedom, like, subscribe to ID refusal rights, and share this video to raise awareness of citizens' rights.